Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Look, I got my rubber gloves on. Gonna do a nice healthy recipe today. Not just my little Corona IV joke. But anyway, seriously, today, welcome to my channel. My name is Chef Jeffrey. Today I'm doing something that's probably necessary. As you see by the video, today I'm doing some old school oven barbecue baby back rib. A lot of y'all, I love the barbecue outside. I love it. I can spend hours, I can spend all day outside on the pit barbecuing. Some people don't like it. Some people don't have the time. Some people just don't have the skill sharpened to do that. So I'm going to show you another way to do it in the oven. It comes so close to the outside version that people will be amazed. Only thing, you won't have that much smoke flavor as you do outside, but you'll still have the regular flavor and tenderness of it. I'm going to show you how to do it in the oven barbecue style. Okay, what I do, I got a couple of baby back ribs here that I can get on sale at a good price. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season these suckers up. Now what I was told before with barbecue, there's no art in seasoning rib. Whatever you like, there's no special rub, special seasoning. There's none that I like, any particular brand that I like. One thing I do beforehand, let me see if y'all can see what I'm doing here. I'm working without my camera people because of this corona thing. So I have nobody here, only me the last few weeks. So y'all have to bear with me on these videos. I have no crew, nobody tell me what time it is, how I'm looking, and nothing like that. So I'm just doing it by old school style when I first started out. So anyway, I put a little worshitire on there. Now we're gonna put some of my favorite. This is really my favorite seasoning, cavenders Greek seasoning. Put that on here. We're gonna put some. I got the lemon pepper I'm gonna put on here. And whatever you like. You might not like all these seasonings. I love this. A little garlic salt. Put that on there. And I do the paprika last. Put a little paprika on there, get some color. Now we're gonna turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side. Gotta season both sides here. The cavenders seasoning. Lemon pepper. And these don't take as long either in the oven, of course, as then in the outside in the pit. Alright, garlic powder. And you ain't gotta check the temperature. It's only one step on here that you gotta really do. And then after that, you just let them sit in the oven. Okay, turn these back over. I'm gonna pack this seasoning on there really good. Turn it over. Do the other side. Turn the other side over. Make sure I got this in the sink. I'll make sure I get all my seasoning on here. Okay, that's it. The ribs are ready. And like I said, you can let it, just like the other barbecue, when you do it outside, you can let it sit in the sink if you want. I mean, not in the sink, in the refrigerator overnight if you want to. But other than that, that's all you need. Now, what I'm going to do now, I got a pan. I need easy cleanup. Long pan. Put foil in the bottom. That's going to be for easy cleanup. When this is ready, all I got to do is take the foil out. So I'm going to put this in the pan here. Put it in the pan. Take these gloves off here. That's easy to clean up there, nothing on my hand. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven, uncovered. Uncovered, y'all, for 30 minutes. What it's gonna do, what I'm trying to do, cooking uncovered for 30 minutes, I wanna draw all the liquid out of here as I can. Cause I'm gonna drain the liquid off that comes out of there. Plus I wanna get a good color on that. So 30 minutes, I'm gonna check it and see. Usually it takes 30 minutes. At 450 degrees though, that's another key. The oven has to be very, very hot. You want to achieve a nice color on here. And then I want to drain all the water that comes off of here. Then we're going to put some barbecue sauce on here. We're going to glaze it up with some barbecue sauce. We're going to cover it and let it do its thing in the oven, cover it. Last 15 minutes, we're going to drain it again. And then 10 minutes uncovered, you're going to have the most beautiful barbecue ribs you ever seen. And people going to wonder you did it outside. So the first step, let's get in the oven for 30 minutes. Then we'll come back and check it in 30 minutes, and then we'll see if it's a good color, drain the water, and then we'll come back and do the next step. But this is better than going in and outside, checking the fire, checking the charcoal, all that. This is so much easier. Especially on a rainy day or winter day, this is perfect barbecue. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's been in here 30 minutes. That's what you want. That's the color you want right there, y'all. See that nice color? Let me move the camera up where we can see what we're doing here. Like I said, I don't have a camera crew this week because of this corona thing, so you'll have to bear with me. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this water. See that liquid in there? I'm going to drain it out of there. I don't want that liquid. Hold on, let me get something to hold it in here with. Drain this, I'm going to drain all the liquid we can out of here. All the liquid we can get out of here, Every bit of it. We don't want that to mess up the taste. We'll put the barbecue sauce in there. Okay, now you're going to use your, I use Sweet Ways barbecue. You need a thick barbecue sauce for the next step. Make sure it's really, really thick. And you're going to take a brush. I'll take a brush. You can, if you don't have a brush, you use a spoon or something, spoon it on. And you're going to paint this on here. Okay. Paint that on there. Just, you don't want to mess up the rub. Just slightly paint it on. This smells so awesome right now. And it's not even done. Not even close to being done yet. Okay. Put some on that. And the barbecue sauce has to be thick now. I will use whatever barbecue sauce you like. I don't promote barbecue sauce because I usually make my barbecue sauce, but I don't make a thick one. I keep a thick one around for this kind of purpose. Right. Just paint it on there. Don't have to be too thick. You don't want it too thick on there. Make sure it's all even out pretty good. This smell right now is amazing. It's an amazing smell. Okay. All right. I saved some for the end because we're going to put a little bit more on the end. I'm going to show you at the end to show a little caramelization on it. But that's later. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put foil over it completely. I'm going to turn the oven down to 350. Remember to do that, 350. Turn the oven down. You had it up to 450. Remember 450 when I started. Now we're going to put it up to down to 350. We're going to completely cover this. So what we're going to do, we want to cook it completely off. We want to get it completely done now. It's going to take another 45 minutes in the oven, maybe an hour depending on the ribs. Every ribs are different, depending how thick they are. So I'm going to put these in the oven and let them cook 350, another 30-45 minutes. And we'll come back and show you one more step. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're going to check this here. Ribs here. See what we got here. Oh, it smells absolutely awesome. Gotta be careful when you open it up. The steam's gonna come out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look how beautiful them ribs are. See how beautiful they are? Let's see the knife. Oh yeah, now, got one more step. They are 99.9% ready. But one more step here. You're going to turn the oven back up, 400, and we're going to caramelize them with the sauce. Put a little bit more sauce on them. You don't have to do this. If you're not a sauce person, you can go with them like this. Alrighty. Awesome ribs. This don't take that long at all. See how long it took? 30 minutes before. Another 30 minutes. This is what you get. I just want to get a nice caramelization on the sauce. And then we'll have, and also when I did it, you can use, when I did it before, when I put the worcestershire on there, you can use liquid smoke sauce too. This sauce has a lot of liquid smoke in it, so I didn't do that in the beginning, but you can do that. Okay, we're gonna put these back in. About 15 more minutes. I'm gonna turn the oven back up to 400 degrees, 450 degrees, and we're gonna come right back, take them out, let them sit, and we're gonna cut them up. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back here, final time here. We're gonna take it out of the oven. 10 more minutes in the oven. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for right there. That's the look I'm looking for. A caramelization on there. Okay, I'm gonna let these rest a little bit, and I'm gonna come back after they rest. I'm gonna take them out of here and I'm gonna slice them up, and we're gonna show you how they look. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here final time. We're gonna cut these up here and see what we got here. Okay, I got my platter over here. I'm gonna put one right here on the platter here. Put it right there. And another one I'm gonna put here on the board. We're gonna cut it here. Put it here on the cutting board. Look at that. Look at that. Can't go wrong there. Let me cut this light where y'all can see what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm gonna get my electric knife here. And we're gonna see what we got here. Turn it this way where I can get it better. That's what you want. Right through there. Go through that bone sometimes. It's difficult. Let's see what we got here. See how they come off that bone so easy? These things are so good. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, so good. I'm just speechless right now, y'all. That's what I'm not saying much. You see how easy this was, though? Very, very, very easy. Look how tender that rib is. I took the bone in. Hour and a half. 30 minutes in the oven, uncovered. 30 minutes covered. 10 minutes to glaze it. Hour and a half. You have ribs. Very simple, very easy, very tender, very flavorful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Visit all my other social media accounts. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. And I can't stop eating this. I'll see y'all later.